Error, error, 404 error sans. So, from Undertale. I have never played that video game. I watched PewDiePie play it, but I never played it myself. But let's go. This is like an alternate version. So, it's from a fan art, so full credit to whoever actually originally drew this. The best one I could find of him. So let's go. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So his head is kind of like turned away. So we start with the nose. So we'll go with this curved line just out here. And he's got like a skeleton nose. So it comes down here. And the other side just comes down there. Right, so it's kind of dark inside. So his eye, just across from this, well, his big eye, right? So go across. And then we bring it down. This goes underneath his hood, so we'll probably erase some of this or color over. And he doesn't have an eyebrow, but he does have like some light, sort of, I would say, bone lines, folds just kind of on his bone. His iris and his pupil, just kind of an oval sort of shape there. And inside as well. So it's not black. This is like a light blue. That's the way they've colored it. Different blue around the side. There's like a line here and some lines just coming around his eye. So his other eye, just coming out from behind his nose, up, down to there, and then comes in. And then so he's like looking over to the right hand side, so this eye you can barely see it. It's like just in here, close to his nose, and the other line for the pupil kind of there. And you might add like an eyebrow line or something just underneath, like so. So what we can see for his mouth, right? So not much, right? So just like here. So his side of his face kind of comes out here, right, for his cheek, and then it goes there, in towards his eye, and then up towards his brow, and then this will curve around for his head, right? So he's a skeleton, so it just stops kind of there. His scarf comes across the bottom of his mouth, right? But we can see a little bit of the mouth, I think, like coming up here. And he's kind of smiling. And this goes around the back. And then the bottom teeth just kind of here. And then some teeth lines. Like so. And so then he has this, he's like a turtleneck or a scarf or something, just like coming around the bottom of this. Goes around behind his hood, just here somewhere. And this turtleneck keeps going. So, and then he has those lines that come down his face, right? So there's thick enough black lines, right? Down here also. Like so. Right, so that hood then comes around, so here, right? So it like bumps and then goes around his head, sort of this way. Right, so that's like the opening of it, and then it will go around the back. Pretty long. like so. And the inside of your hood sort of comes in here. Okay, so his jacket, what way? We'll go this way, right? Bumps, and he has his hand in his pocket here. So he's got this blue edge line, like that. And then the inside of this here. And then he's like a big fur thing on his jacket, just going around from the hood here, right? So you'll just add all these fur spike lines. And you'll just go the whole way around his neck, and it kind of comes out the other side, real small, right? Right, and then if you want like some extra texture just inside, just to show some fur lines. Just to show it's a bit furry. Like so, right? So then his shoulder comes out here, and his hand is like in his pocket. So it'll like bump a couple of times and then go like off down there, right? So the shoulder line will be here, and then like his hand disappears kind of into his pocket here. So extra fold lines and stuff on this. It's always important when you're drawing like fabric. Just go in the direction the fabric is being pulled, right? And like some extra fur in there. Right, so like his coat there, and maybe like, is there more back, something back here? I don't know. Like more hood or something back there? Don't know. All right, so his sleeve and his pocket kind of join together here. And then that goes down, and then fold lines and stuff here. He's got patterns on this as well, but we'll just get the rest of his body in first. And he's got a hand sticking up here. So some fur coming out this side. Going in around the back of his neck here. To there, and then so we got like his t-shirt coming down this way, right? And he's sitting, so all these fold lines come around like so, and then his knee comes out here, down, so that's like his shorts. Right, going off this way. And then knee bones going this way. Right, and his other sleeve is here, and it just goes around his arm. Just there, and his wrist will like stick out here somewhere. That sleeve will go down around here. That's his elbow. Sorry now if you can hear noise in the background. My daughter is giving out. And then she's not happy. So more sleeve lines just here. And then he's got fur on the bottom of the sleeve. And some lines coming down there. So like this will like join back up to his shoulder up here, but his hand sticks out here as well. So like it will go up towards his shoulder. And you might have like some more clotheslines and stuff there. But his hand, so he's like doing this kind of thing with his like skeleton like hand. So general shape of it. So we got like these little bones like coming out here, right? It goes up. This way, right? And it's all bony. The other side, just here. And his hand like goes out this way, and it's real thin, right? So we've got like finger, real skinny, skeleton like fingers, right? So index finger sticking up, and each of these will go in behind the next one here. Right, so we've 1, 2, 3, and then the third finger just kind of here, down to there, like knuckle there to there, right? And each of these has like a bone on it, right, where there's a knuckle joint. So they sort of join together with these lines. And the thumb seems to stick up behind here. And then some more sort of hand bones and stuff. Kind of like this. And the shoulder will go up behind the hand then. So that's tricky. Tricky hand position. So then details on his jacket, right? He's got this O on his head or something. It's kind of bumpy because the fabric is all bumpy as well. And then O's coming down and blue lines, right? So O sort of coming down here. So this is like an O. And it bumps down his sleeve. Right, so you'll follow the sort of bumps of his sleeve and add another O here. And this comes out. Right, kind of like that. And then we got some more patterns here. Blue lines. That's all blue in there. And then some stuff over this side. Right, and where's my ruler? So we have these strings that are coming from his fingers, am I right? So like you can do them any old way. So I'll go straight up. Oh, there's another finger joint there. Straight up from here. And these are like blue in the picture, but I'll just do them black just so you can see them. I don't know if they're wrapped around his fingers or what, but we'll just do them coming out from his fingers. Another one coming out from here. I'll do this like going around his finger maybe. Right, I think that's everything. That is how to draw Error 404 Sans. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.